Okay, just a quick thing I've noticed when I've started work on the village shop and cafe. Fig 3 shows you building A starting to be formed around the lower grey floor, which fits into the front door opening. It's very awkward, I find, however, to try and just glue it on the 3 sides and hold it to get it to hold in place while you're forming the first building. So what I've decided to do, as you can see here, I've got the grey former in the bottom of my building A with an elastic band around it. There's no glue in there at all yet. All I've done is put that building front window in. You can just about see there in the front. What I plan on doing under here, you can see the little yellow tabs that you're supposed to raise, which provides a ledge for the grey floor to sit on. So what I'll do is just put the glue in from underneath, just on the front parts of the building. So the main front bit there, hold that again. So along that front edge there, around that side there, and half tab of this pointed side. Let that dry, then it should allow me to carry on with the next stage. You can see on here, you have to bring that round there. Obviously, putting the window in there first, which will then allow me to get onto fig 4. So I'll let you know how I get on.